This is going to be an experience!
Once upon a time there were horses who lived happily in Horseville. But then some fat people came and started shitting on Horseville.
This is some quality modding right here!
Horseville was full of shit. Herseem said no and decided to kill the Mastifatas.
What the fuck was that sentence?
If he only knew where's he hiding.
Look at my horse is amazing. Give it a lick. Have a stroke of its mane, it turns into a plane, and then it
Well, this is clearly mod of the year. Oh God! The hell is that? Ah! Alrighty then. Spare me and my carrot. What the shit is this? Why is there a phone? Green thingy! Ah, fuck!
What I tell y'all about coming in my shed?
Oh God! Please no! God damn it, bronies! Well, I'm glad that's over. Bronies, why? Why must every mod have fucking ponies? And people say midget modes aren't art.
Swag. Yeah, why don't you suck my dick, you dumb bitch?
SpongeBob! What the shit, Harper? Really? Quality. Well, this is cheerful. That slink with a pump-action shotgun. Amazing! I think the modder has just completely given up with level names. Banana. Oh shit! Fuck you, banana! Oh God, Doge! That giant Sheba head! Fucking mems! We set! So what am I supposed to do now? Jesus! Oh God! Make it stop! I wanna go try us out?
Look at my horse is amazing.
That fuck, I think I have reached the end.
Have a stroke of its
And this isn't so bad. Wait, what? That's a lot of ponies.
Many failed attempts at pony gangbang later.
Okay, that's all of them. What's that? That's one big pony. Big angry pony.
Many more failed attempts later.
Aha, I did it.
Look at my horse.
Get fucked, Satan horse.
Give it a lick.
Well, overall, it was mostly playable and didn't crash.